fabric of this is soft and it's a bit delicate. So I turn it inside out, and then so it's been turned. Make sure this is, let's say, maybe I could put them by the number 2, but still in a steamer. So make sure they're in a steamer, and do the all the pocket. But they are so delicate, so you have to make sure they're not so hot that you don't burn your trouser. It's so delicate, guys. Make sure it's not very hot. So the same procedure, you just do it all the way. Make sure that all the pocket is been done. Oh, I think it's a bit hot there. So right, just you need to test them, guys, is it hot or not. So I think it's alright now. I turn it down. Right, so I think that's done. I've done the at the back. Make sure this is a bit here, you have to do it, and then turn it back. Right, guys, this is very, if you don't want to fade away the color of your, if you had a like black or dark blue or anything dark, and you don't want to fade your you don't want to so if you don't want to fade away the color of your trouser, you need a white cloth like this one, and make sure is you only use a white one. Otherwise, if you use a different color, it might transfer to your trouser. Iron this first and make sure it's clean, guys. So iron that. I always use white. So my trouser is really, well, it's not new, but I don't want it to fade it away the color. So what you do is you just put them on top of the trouser, and you want to iron them. Maybe you can put a little bit, turn it up, because you know it's not really, so just turn it like that. Or if you want to do it that way, if you want to do it, you can do it like that. It's up to you how you do your ironing. You always put cloth on top of it. You don't want to fade it away your the color. I know it's not great, but that's the only way not to fade it or like shiny or marking the iron when you do that. It's in here. Just do it like that, guys. You can turn it a bit up the heat. You have to turn it up the heat. So make sure that it cover all the and just check them. So the same in here. Just iron it here. Right. This trouser, this particular trouser is there's a line in the middle. So this is when I go out and all that. So always make sure that, so you just fold it that way, like you're folding it this way, guys. So the trick with this is, right, the line is just all over the place, and make sure you have to do the inside first. You know where the inside here, underneath. You do that. You do it there. I know the line is not so great of this, but what you do first is just to do that first. Just forget about the line for now. Now make sure it's straight. Make it straight, and there's no twist or anything. And you put your cloth on top of it. So this is your cloth. You just do the middle bit. I'm gonna put them in maybe 3 because that's okay. Right, I'll do it in here. So what you say now. This is, you have to be really patient when you do this trouser. This kind of trouser, you have to be patient. So you turn it again to number 1 or number 2, and just hit them there. Just because it's not easy to put the cloth underneath there. Make sure the line. This is very, so just do it here. Just keep turning to your heat. Now this is the same with the same procedure as the other side. That way. Just forget about the line for now. We'll do that at the end. So this is the other side. So you just hold it like that. Now back to number 3 again. You know where the stitches is. So if you just feel it like that, make sure that they are on top of each other. You know what I mean? The stitches here, guys. So make sure that the other side, if you just feel it like that without looking at the underneath, you can feel it that they're not really. So if you just make sure that they are labeled each other, because of the why I say that, because of the line. The line has to be the same as the other side. So this is really tricky how you do your trouser if you want to do it properly. Right. So I just put him in number 3 back again, and just do that. This is really hot, so voila. So you see it's not, the color is still the same, and you won't see any line for the ironing. Sometimes you see it's like a shiny, especially when it's like a dark color, like dark blue and black, especially black. When you do the ironing and you put them in, you see the mark or shining of the iron. So this is just the way to care of your trouser. Now next one is the on top. Right, the top one is a bit, even me myself is just so it just the way you do that. Just you need to be patient, guys, to do this. Really patient if you want to do your trouser nice and really neat the line, because it's just take time to do this, especially when you use it to going out or party or any occasion. So do that like that, and the same with the other side. Right, so same here. So just keep checking if they're okay inside, because sometimes when you do it, they really just take time, guys, to do it. Don't rush. Give a lot of time when you do the ironing, especially this kind of trouser. You just take time, so give yourself a lot of time to do it. Don't rush, because when you rush, it get disaster, guys. So just do it slowly and be patient. Right, so do that. I know the line is not great. We talk about the line a minute. Right, so the line of this, now make sure that you got the line at the So just put it right at number 1. Right at number 1, guys. So means now it's time to do the line. If your trouser had a line already, but they are like everywhere and you want to do it again, just do it that way. So this is not hot now, it's just I put it in really very low, in minimum. This is the minimum bit. So it means that you know, it's not so hot. So just run it through. Run it through. Make sure the just line is not just all over the place. You just do it once. You don't have to keep doing it. Same as the other one here. Yeah, all the way through there. Right. So if you see that it's a bit greasy, make sure this is not hot. This is not hot, so you can just same as the other one here. Yeah, all the way through there. Right. So if you see that that's done, that's the way you do it, guys. So I done it already, and you can see the color still the same, and there's no like shiny or marking of the iron, guys. I iron my trouser, guys. So I'm gonna turn it to inside out first. So I done it inside out first, so I could iron the all the pocket and around the you know, where the hips and all that. So always check the iron, is it they're hot or not. Make sure that you don't burn yourself or the fabrics that while you're ironing. So you have to turn it to the inside out first, guys, and do the around the hips and all the pocket and around here. And then the last one, you just go around it. That's it. And then turn it back again. Now this trouser is just straightforward. I don't have to put any lines in the middle. So this is the way my jeans. I do my jeans. I don't put anything in the middle or any shape. Just straightforward, guys. The way you do that is the. So you just make sure that you done all the pocket and all the edges there. This jeans is easy to iron. It's not so crisp. And you just put that there. This one, I want my trouser jeans just straightforward. Nothing. There's no line whatsoever. So just do it like that. Just straightforward, guys. Press it like that. This is the for me. This is the fashion. I don't want anything line that I could see from this jeans. So just let it run your iron quickly. The same at the back. That won't take you. It will take you less than 5 minutes. Take me less than 5 minutes to do the trouser. Just easy. Run it through. Especially your iron is with the steamer. Thank you for watching, guys.